Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Farul Askala Zordi Syuhada with student ID 113250140.
So let me introduce myself too. My name is Muhammad Kadefa Kafari with my last order number ID is 149. Yes. So today we are here going to talk about something that is very familiar to us, that is life as a university student.
As university student ourselves, we will share our experience, challenge, and opinion about student life.
Yes. So we hope some of our stories will be relatable to you.
So let's get started.
So first of all, before we talk about university in general, let's start from the very beginning.
Yeah, that's right. One of the first things every student experience is the transition from high school to university.
So was the transition that difficult to you?
Honestly, yes. Everything felt new and unfamiliar.
So what was the biggest difference for you?
Definitely the level of independence in high school. Teachers reminded us about almost everything. In university, lecturer expect us to be responsible for ourselves.
I completely agree with you. During my first semester, I was surprised by uh, how independent the student holds to
Oh yeah. Did you ever forget an assignment because nobody reminded you?
be. Yes, unfortunately yes, because I missed a deadline once because I wasn't used to checking the learning platform. Spada, you know, right? Spada.
Yeah, Spada. The same thing happened to me. It taught me to be more organized, to see the phone or the clock to check Spada.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
But do you think university is harder than high school?
For academically, yes. But I think adapting to a completely new environment like is even harder than academic.
Yes, that's true because you know right that new friends, new lectures, and new learning system can feel overwhelming at first.
Ah, but after some time, we learn how to adjust it. Okay.
So adapting to university life was challenging at first.
Yes, and once students successfully adapt, they face another important challenge managing their time and responsibilities.
Okay, I think that's enough. So let's talk about how university students balance their academic and personal life. That is managing time and responsibilities.
Oh.
Are you good at managing your time?
Honestly, not always. Sometimes I procrastinate.
Same here, because you know right.
Mm.
So what usually distract you?
What distract me? Social media, YouTube, and TikTok.
Yes,
And
yes.
sometimes online games like Mobile Legend or PUBG.
Same to me. That's so very relatable. But if that, how do you handle multiple tasks at one time?
Ah. I try to prioritize the most urgent assignments first. What about you?
For me, I usually create a to-do list and break the big part to a small part.
To-do list. That's a good strategy. Do you think university students get enough sleep?
Enough sleep. I think not really because you know many students stay up late to do their assignment and like study for exams.
Oh, agree. Engineer students, guys. Sometimes it feels like aren't enough to sleep in a day.
Yes, you know right. But what's the most difficult part about managing your responsibilities?
Balancing academics with personal life. Sometimes I want to relax, but I still have a lot of work to do.
Yes, that's one of the biggest challenge for many students.
Managing times is important, but university life isn't only about assignments and deadlines.
Exactly. It's also about meeting new people and building meaningful relationship.
So, let's move on to another interesting aspects of university life, making friends and building networks.
That was it easy for you to make a new friends at university?
Hmm, new friends. At first, no. I was little shy and didn't know many people.
Oh, that's really?
Yes.
How did you eventually make a friends if like that?
Mostly I got friends through a group projects like this. This is group projects.
Yes, this.
Classes or student activities like
Mm,
organization. Nah.
like Belnek and PKN, you know
Yes,
that?
yes, well, like PKN.
That's true because group assignment force us to interact with other people.
Yes. Do you think friends are important to university life?
Yes, absolutely because friend can support us academically and emotionally.
Hmm. Have your friends ever helped you during a difficult semester or difficult like university life?
Oh yes. There was a time when I felt stressed because of deadlines and my friends like my kelompok at
Yes, yes.
our university that helps so much to stay motivate me.
Yes, that's great. I think supportive friends make university life more enjoyable to do.
Yes, beside friendship, university is also a great place to make building connection for the future, you know.
Exactly. The people we meet today could become our future college or business partner.
Yes. So having good friends can definitely make university life more enjoyable.
Hmm. However, no matter how supportive our friends, we still need to deal with academic challenge.
That's true. I think that's enough. So let's discuss about the academic pressure students that often face.
Wow, academic pressure.
So, what is the most challenging part of university academic for you?
University academic. Probably handling multiple assignments at the same time.
Or
Like
right now,
right now.
Which do you find harder, exams or assignment?
I think exams more stressful because they have a big impact for your grades.
Oh yes, they have so much pressure, but interesting. But for me, do you want to know that long-term projects are harder for me because they require a consistent.
That's a good point. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your coursework?
Definitely, especially during midterm and final exam weeks.
Oh, final exam weeks. What do you usually do when you're stressed or overwhelmed? Right now.
Yeah, for me, I take a short break, like listen to music or talk to a friend.
Oh, I usually exercise or go for a walk to clear my mind,
Ooh,
or playing games. Playing games is important,
yes,
guys, to
that's
clear your
true.
mind.
I agree. And do you think stress is unavoidable at university?
Hmm. To some extent, yes, but learning how to manage stress are important for life skill.
I I completely agree with you.
Although academic challenge can be stressful or overwhelming, they often help us grow as individuals.
Exactly. University is not only about getting good grades but also about developing important life skills.
With that in mind, let's talk about personal growth and our future goals.
Personal
Future.
growth and future goals. That interesting. So, how has university changed you as a person?
I think I've become more independent and responsible.
If like that, can you give me some example?
Oh, example. Sure. Now I can manage my own schedule, finance, and study plans.
That's good. Good example. For me, university has improved my communication skill
How did that happen?
because, group presentation, group decision,
Oh,
and
yes.
meeting new people like this.
Oh, okay. That's true. University constantly push us out of our comfort zones. That's important, guys.
Yes. So, what is one goal you want to achieve before graduating?
One goal, like I want to gain more experience and develop professional skills related to my future career.
That's a good goal. I want to graduate successfully and will be prepared for the life working work. No
Oh,
working.
that's
So
very
hard.
good. That's very good. And do you ever worry about the future? I'm so worried about my future, bro.
Yes, sometimes I really worry about my future, but I believe the experience we gain in university will help us face future
Hmm,
challenges.
I'm very agree about that argument.
It's interesting to see how universities shape us both academically and personally.
Definitely. From adapting to a new environment, managing responsibilities, making friends, and overcoming challenges, every experience help us to grow.
So, before we end today's podcast, let's briefly summarize what we have discussed.
Okay, today we've talked about several aspects of university life, including the transition from high school, time management, friendship, academic challenge, and personal growth.
So interesting, right?
Yeah.
We believe that every challenge is a valuable lesson that prepare us for the future.
Okay, thank you for listening our podcast. We hope you enjoy our discussion and found it relatable. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.